Changing the language in the Google Drive app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings on your device. Step 1. Open the Google Drive app. Launch the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into a Google account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots located in the top left or right corner of the app. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. Step 3. Select Language. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Language or App Language. Tap on it to view the available language options. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Browse through the list of languages and select the one you want to use. The app will automatically update to reflect your choice. Step 5. Restart the app. To ensure the changes take effect, close the Google Drive app completely and then reopen it. The app should now display in your selected language. After following these steps, you will have successfully changed the language in the Google Drive app. Enjoy using the app in your preferred language.